Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an age-old philosophy that has not only stood the test of time but also offers practical wisdom for modern-day success. I'm talking about Stoicism, a philosophy founded in ancient Greece that emphasizes resilience, self-control, and rational thinking. In this video, we'll explore how you can apply Stoic principles to create and maintain wealth. By following these 10 actionable steps, you can cultivate a mindset that not only fosters financial success, but also brings a sense of peace and fulfillment to your life. So let's get started. 1. Focus on what you can control. Stoic principle, dichotomy of control. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control, which means distinguishing between what is within your control and what is not. This principle is crucial when it comes to wealth creation. You can't control the stock market, the economy, or the actions of others, but you can control your reactions, decisions, and the effort you put into your work. To apply this, start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an investment portfolio, focus on actions that move you closer to these goals. Create a budget, stick to it, and make informed financial decisions based on your research and risk tolerance. By focusing on what you can control, you reduce anxiety and increase your chances of achieving financial success. 2. Live below your means. Stoic principle, temperance. Temperance or self-discipline is a key Stoic virtue. It teaches us to resist excess and live within our means. In today's consumer-driven society, it's easy to fall into the trap of spending more than we earn. However, true wealth is built by consistently saving and investing a portion of your income. Create a habit of mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Prioritize needs over wants and look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses. Living below your means not only helps you save more, but also provides a financial cushion for unexpected events. 3. Invest in yourself. Stoic principle, wisdom. Wisdom, or practical knowledge, is essential for making informed financial decisions. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. This means continuously seeking knowledge and improving your skills. Whether through formal education, reading books, attending seminars, or seeking mentorship, invest in gaining the knowledge necessary to navigate the complex world of finance. Understand different investment vehicles, learn about personal finance management, and stay updated on economic trends. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that build and sustain wealth. 4. Embrace adversity. Stoic principle, resilience. Stoicism teaches us to view adversity as an opportunity for growth. In the financial world, setbacks are inevitable. Be it a market crash, a failed business venture, or a personal financial crisis, how you respond to these challenges will determine your long-term success. Develop a resilient mindset by accepting that failure is part of the journey. Analyze your mistakes, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones to future success. Resilience also involves maintaining a long-term perspective. Understand that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, and stay committed to your goals despite short-term obstacles. 5. Practice gratitude. Stoic principle, gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful Stoic practice that shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. By appreciating your current resources and opportunities, You cultivate a positive mindset that can enhance your financial well-being. Make it a daily habit to reflect on what you're grateful for. This could be your job, your skills, the support of your family, or the lessons learned from past experiences. Gratitude helps you stay motivated and fosters a sense of contentment that prevents reckless financial decisions driven by greed or envy. 6. Avoid debt. Stoic principle, freedom. Stoicism values freedom, and debt is a form of financial bondage that can limit your choices and increase stress. While some debt can be beneficial, like a mortgage or student loan, excessive and high-interest debt can derail your financial plans. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Develop a debt repayment plan that fits your budget and stick to it. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's strategically planned and manageable. By minimizing debt, you maintain greater control over your finances and reduce financial anxiety. 7. Cultivate a growth mindset. Stoic principle, continuous improvement. A growth mindset aligns with the Stoic principle of continuous improvement. It involves believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning from others. Apply this mindset to your financial life by setting ambitious but achievable financial goals. Continuously seek ways to improve your earning potential, whether through career advancement, side hustles, or smart investments. Embrace challenges and view setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. A growth mindset ensures that you're always moving forward on your path to wealth. 8. Build a diverse portfolio. Stoic principle, prudence. Prudence, or practical wisdom, involves making cautious and well-thought-out decisions. When it comes to investing, this means diversifying your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Diversification helps protect your wealth from market volatility and ensures that you're not overly reliant on any single investment. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 9. Plan for the long term. Stoic principle, perspective. Stoicism encourages us to take a broad perspective on life, focusing on long-term goals rather than immediate gratification. This principle is particularly relevant to wealth building, which requires patience and strategic planning. Develop a comprehensive financial plan that includes short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Use tools like retirement accounts, education savings plans, and estate planning to secure your future. By planning for the long term, you ensure that your financial decisions today support your vision for tomorrow. 10. Practice philanthropy. Stoic principle, community and justice. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of contributing to the common good and practicing justice. Wealth is not just about personal gain, but also about how you can positively impact others. You can allocate a portion of your resources to charitable causes or community initiatives. This benefits society and brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment to your life. Philanthropy fosters a mindset of abundance, where you recognize that true wealth lies in the ability to give and support others. Conclusion. Applying Stoic principles to your financial life can transform not only your approach to wealth, but also your overall well-being. By focusing on what you can control, living below your means, investing in yourself, and embracing adversity, you build a strong foundation for financial success. Practicing gratitude, avoiding debt, cultivating a growth mindset, and building a diverse portfolio ensure that you maintain and grow your wealth over time. Planning for the long term and practicing philanthropy bring a sense of purpose and community to your journey. Remember, wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about creating a life of fulfillment, freedom, and impact. By integrating Stoic wisdom into your financial strategy, you can achieve true wealth that encompasses both material success and inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these timeless principles. Stay resilient, stay wise, and continue striving for greatness.